The most important aspect of any front door is its ability to keep residents safe and secure. And while traditional wood doors keep your home safe to a degree, there is a very effective way to greatly increase your home security: replacing your door with a new iron entry door. Here are a few examples of what make iron doors more safe and secure than wood doors. Number 1. Iron doors are durable and high quality. The material that a door is made out of plays a major role in your home's safety. Wood may be a common material used for doors, but they're inferior when compared to the durability, strength, and build quality of iron doors. Iron doors from Tuscan Iron Entries are manufactured using 12-gauge and 14-gauge steel. Because of this, the doors are exceptionally sturdy. Contrarily, doors made of wood are much more easily manipulated by potential intruders. They can be bent, broken, or cut open by force. Number 2. Iron doors are intimidating to intruders. Iron entry doors make a strong statement to everyone who sees them, including potential intruders. One glance at a heavy iron door is often enough to deter potential intruders from attempting a break-in. Burglars most commonly identify the weakest points of entry prior to breaking into a home. Installing an iron door is a great way to dissuade them from choosing your home for intrusion. Number 3. Iron doors allow for better visibility. As a homeowner, active break-ins aren't the only safety concern. Sometimes the biggest threats are beyond your front door. Being able to see outside the front door without needing to open it is important when it comes to home safety. While wood doors may have peepholes or small glass panes, iron doors offer much better visibility options without compromising on security. Iron doors from Tuscan Iron Entries come standard with tempered and insulated double-paned glass panels. These panels are securely hinged to the interior side of the door. Owners of these doors are able to easily look through the glass and have a clear view of their home's outside surroundings. The safety benefits are virtually endless with iron entry doors. Ready to upgrade your door security? Tuscan Iron Entries offers premium quality iron doors that not only add security to your home, but also add beauty and value. To learn more about the benefits of iron doors, visit us at TuscanEntries.com.